It's the time of year many of us subject ourselves to stressful holidays with dysfunctional family. This time, prepare with a personal firewall. Computer firewalls stop malware and viruses from injecting toxicity that crashes our system. Likewise, a personal firewall keeps out hacks like criticism, guilt trips, gaslighting, or other manipulative tactics so they can't crash our system, our mental well-being, balance, and joy. So if you're going in, get a firewall in place. The holidays don't turn known hackers into emotionally safe besties, so don't share too much about yourself. By all means, enjoy the food and pretty decor, but listen more than talk. Know what could be coming and notice it when it does without engaging. If you get anxious at the mere thought of family holidays, you've been hacked enough. Preparing with a personal firewall can make a huge difference. You might even enjoy yourself. Happy holidays. I'm Rev Doc Lisa, Integral Healer, and I'm with you on the journey.